How to enter coordinates on Google Maps. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to enter coordinates on Google Map for the exact precise location. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for maps.google.com, and you will be taken directly to Google Maps. So the first thing you want to do is you need to have the coordinates in order to enter it. So to get the coordinate of a specific location, what you can do is simply go ahead and zoom in. So I'm just going to zoom in around here. And here what you can do is simply double click on a place to get its coordinate, and you'll get the precise location of this. So I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see here on the search bar, it has given me this coordinate. So no matter where I go on the map, if I have the coordinate, then it will directly take me to this place. So let me move it up here. Now I'm just going to place the coordinate of the place that I've just copied and hit enter. And no matter where you are, it will directly pinpoint the location to you. So that's how you enter coordinate on Google Maps. These coordinates are a precise way of getting around on Google Maps, and they are very accurate. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.